Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 2017 Crf450r bought as a leftover in the beginning of 2018. It was Justin's first 450, probably his last. He went back to 250s, decided 450s were not for him. It's got a full Yoshimura exhaust, different levers, mica bars. I don't know that he did anything at all with the suspension. After I got it from him, I personally rode it 3 times, but I'm sure it still has less than 20 hours on it. Worked flawlessly, great bike, and the parts off of it should be all set to go. The motor should be perfect to go. It does have, like I said, the Yoshimura exhaust. Oh, and the rekluse clutch. It's not the automatic, but it's a rekluse clutch. Really worked great. The one time I took it out and rode it. Let's fire it up quick. Remember to look down below, subscribe. So look down below, subscribe, let us know what you need for this bike, other bikes. Check our eBay spot. Good, clean, solid bike. Everything works great. So, let us know what you need off of our Crf450. Parts on these are pretty much identical for 2017 and 2018. A lot of parts will fit on the 250 and on other years, but for sure they'll fit on the 17 and the 18. Let us know what you need. I don't know if you heard me. Subscribe down below. See what else we're taking apart. Check our eBay site to see what we've got. See what we can get for you. And thanks for watching.